Welcome to the heart of Nice, where Mediterranean charm meets cosmopolitan sophistication. Nestled on the vibrant Place du Pin, one of the city's most sought-after addresses, this stunning top-floor apartment offers a rare opportunity to experience the Côte d'Azur lifestyle at its finest. Step inside and you're immediately met with light, space, and elegance. Yet the expansive living room is framed by large windows that capture panoramic views of Mont Alban, and the lively square below, a perfect blend of tranquility and the energy of city life. The adjoining kitchen is sleek and fully equipped, designed for both everyday ease and entertaining in style. Every element has been carefully considered: refined finishes, contemporary lines, and a natural flow that creates an atmosphere of understated luxury. The Master Suite is a sanctuary of comfort, featuring its own ensuite bathroom and generous storage, while 3 further bedrooms provide flexible space for family, guests, or even a home office. Each room continues the same attention to detail and light-filled design that defines this exceptional home. Just steps from Place Garibaldi and the tramway connecting directly to the airport, this apartment offers the perfect balance: peaceful, private living in one of the most dynamic districts of Nice. Stroll to local cafes, world-class restaurants, and boutiques, or wander down to the old port in minutes. It's all on your doorstep. With 136 square meters of beautifully finished living space and breathtaking views, this is more than an apartment. It's a statement of modern Riviera living, a rare find in one of France's most glamorous coastal cities. In the tranquil countryside of the Vienne, surrounded by over 21 acres of private land, stands this magnificent 19th century Maison de Maître, a property that perfectly balances grandeur, comfort, and timeless French elegance. Set at the end of a long private drive, this distinguished estate unfolds like a story, one of heritage, refinement, and the beauty of rural living. A very view. Every detail speaks to a lifestyle of quiet sophistication. The main residence is both stately and welcoming. Its gracious proportions and period features are complemented by thoughtful modern touches. From the state-of-the-art kitchen to the 4 ensuite bedrooms, each a serene retreat of its own. The grand reception rooms invite gatherings both intimate and grand, their tall windows framing panoramic views of the surrounding estate. Beyond the main house, a separate guest cottage offers 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, ready to be restored and reimagined. The perfect space for extended family, guests, or an elegant holiday rental. Outdoors, the lifestyle possibilities are endless. A heated saltwater pool sits at the heart of the gardens, ideal for long summer afternoons. The estate's extensive outbuildings, including barns, garages, and workshops, offer space for creativity, hobbies, or equestrian pursuits. Fenced paddocks, open fields, and peaceful woodland make this the ultimate country retreat. And yet, despite its seclusion, convenience is close at hand, with the riverside town of Civray just 15 minutes away, and the historic city of Poitiers, with its TGV links and airport, only half an hour from your door. This is more than a home. It's a private haven where past and present meet in perfect harmony. A property of rare distinction, offering elegant space and the essence of French country, living at its most refined. At the end of a quiet private lane, hidden within the heart of Brive-la-Gaillarde, lies a home of rare elegance and individuality. An architect designed Perigordian residence that perfectly combines timeless craftsmanship with contemporary luxury. Set within beautifully landscaped gardens of nearly 4,000 square meters, this exceptional 6-bedroom home offers a sense of grandeur and tranquility that's hard to find so close to the city center. The approach alone, through a private cabin to a striking stone facade, sets the tone for what's to come. Inside, the home opens into a grand oak-framed entrance hall that leads to an expansive living room filled with natural light. At its heart, A magnificent stone fireplace anchors the space, a perfect balance of warmth and refinement. The bespoke kitchen and open dining area are equally captivating. Sleek yet welcoming, they open through vast bifold doors onto a 40 square meter terrace, where sweeping views stretch over the gardens, the pool, and the rooftops of broad beyond. The ground floor also offers 3 elegant bedrooms, while upstairs the master suite redefines luxury, featuring a spacious dressing room, a stunning bathroom with a sunken circular bath, and a private tower retreat, ideal as an office or reading room. The home's lower level continues to impress with a wine cellar, garage, and an independent apartment, perfect for guests, extended family, or rental income. Outdoors, a beautiful stone, tiled swimming pool, and double carport complete the picture of refined French living. Combining architectural beauty, modern efficiency, and a privileged location, this property embodies the very best of life in the Corrèze: space, serenity, and sophistication. To explore more luxury homes across France, visit forcelfrance.com.